Astronomers always keep reassuring that there is no giant asteroid in collision with Earth anytime soon. However, whenever there is news of large asteroids passing by Earth, many of us get nervous. The truth is that scientists don't know for sure what's going on. Asteroids are heading towards Earth, but it's unclear why. The best answer we have right now is that it's possible the asteroids are being pulled by gravity from Jupiter, the Sun, or other planets in our solar system. According to NASA, 3 massive asteroid is moving towards the Earth at a very high speed and is expected to make its closest approach to the planet on 19th, 21st and November 23rd. There are many different theories as to why these asteroids are coming towards Earth. One theory is that these asteroids come from the asteroid belt and are just passing by Earth. Another theory is that these 4 asteroids were once a part of our solar system, but have now broken off and are on a collision course with Earth. On November 19th, massive asteroid, dubbed as 2022 QG41, will fly past Earth at a distance of 8.6 million kilometers at a speed of 9 kilometers per second. Its size is estimated in the range from 400 feet to 900 feet. NASA JPL has classified 2022 QG41 as a potentially hazardous asteroid due to its predicted close passes with Earth. It was discovered on August 31, 2022. This near-Earth object belongs to the Apollo group. Another asteroid to make close approach is named as 2019 or 1 and is scheduled to fly past our planet on November 21st, according to NASA's CNOS. The asteroid 2019 or 1 was discovered on July 27, 2019 and it belongs to the Easton group. This year, the asteroid 2019 or 1 will pass past Earth on November 21st at 7:58 at a distance of 6.92 million kilometers at a speed of 13 kilometers per second. The third and last asteroid to fly past Earth is 2005 LW3. It is an asteroid, a large rock that orbits the Sun mainly between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. They tend to be an irregular shaped but Ceres asteroid is known to be spherical in shape but because it doesn't clear its path round the Sun. The size of this asteroid is approximately 669 feet. And it makes one orbit around the Sun in 625 days. At this time, the asteroid moves away from the Sun at a maximum distance of 313 million kilometers and approaches it at a minimum distance of 115 million kilometers. The distance of the asteroid 2005 LW3 from Earth is currently 13.38 million kilometers, equivalent to 0.09 astronomical units. Light takes 0 minutes and 44 seconds to travel from the asteroid 2005 LW3 and arrive to us. This asteroid will fly past Earth on November 23 at 15:36. NASA has already clarified that we have nothing to worry about as far as these asteroids are concerned. In fact, at least for the next 100 years, there is no large space rock on a collision course with Earth. If you really like our video, feel free to support us with a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe our channel Space Bites and look forward to the videos that will be waiting for you in the future.